Publisher Journey video of the day. How you doing? I just published a new book, HowExpert Guide to Business and Entrepreneurship. It's about a 500-page book on the topic of how to start and grow and succeed in your own business, whatever type of business, whether it's online or offline. Everything that you need to know to start a business, start, grow, and succeed in your business. This book covers it. It's a very comprehensive book. Again, like I said, 500 plus pages. Very thorough. After that, I'm already working on my next book. It's about dating and relationships. Because I want to publish books on all topics A to Z, all core categories of life, and we'll go from there, you know what I mean? So, but I want to make one little change, modification moving forward. I don't think I want to do 500 plus pages anymore. This latest book is 97,000 words. It's like 100,000 words. Okay? It's insane. Again, AI, it's absolutely crazy. But the longer the book, for me as a publisher, it just takes a longer time creating the content, formatting the book, costs a lot more money to hire an audio narrator, probably 3 times more than before. So I'm just like, you know what? And nowadays, some people don't want super long books, right? I mean, for a topic like this, a core category like this, I may consider, it's not bad, I don't think. If it's a book, but especially like niche books, I'm going to go not just into core categories, but niche topics. I think I'm going to make it like 30 to 40,000 words. And I did some research using AI, ChatGPT, like asking, hey, for the top, what is the average length of a book in terms of word count for nonfiction that are in the top 100 for how-to books? And it came out to like 48,000 words, 45,000 words or something like that. So I want to hit that sweet spot from 40 to 50,000 words moving forward. I don't want it to make it super long, okay? It's just not my thing anymore. We will see, a little bit more concise in the current books that are 500 plus pages. So that's my thing. I just published the ebook version of it, paperback, hardback, coming soon, very soon. After my designer gets all the covers done, I'm going to publish the paperback and hardback version. After that, I'm working on my next book about dating and relationship. The content is already finished. That's another core category of life. They say health, wealth, and relationships, right? After that, I checked out the bookstore just for research, and I might do a book about animals. I may do another book about science. I may do a book about crafts and hobbies, career, professional development, and the list goes on and on. So stay tuned. I want to be able to at least aim to publish one book per week, if not more. Okay? Solid quality books for all topics, all categories, from A to Z, by my publishing brand, HowExpert. So stay tuned, okay? That's pretty much it for right now. Thanks for watching. I gotta go. Talk soon, all right? Take care. Bye.